Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Maths Made Easy with AB. So in this video and in this series basically we will be looking how to plot graphs on your paper simply to solve numerical problems, and finally from here this will be the founding base for move into calculus, how to solve integration problems. In this video also towards the end I will show you how to solve integration problems using graph. So let us start plotting. First, today is the first class, so we will start with straight lines, then we will be plotting circles, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, and eventually we will be covering all the important graphs. So let us see. So say, what is a straight line? In order to make a straight line you need 2 points. So you have to be very careful. In order to plot a straight line you need 2 points. So what are the 2 points? So you have 1 point, you have 1 point here. You join these 2 points, this will form a straight line. So 2 points, minimum 2 points are needed to form a straight line. So you have to keep this in mind. Now I will take one example and we will see how you can plot a straight line from a given equation. So I am removing this part. So let's see. Say for example somebody has given you x plus y equals 4. So how do you plot this graph? X plus y equals 4. So there are certain techniques with which you can, or methods you can call, how you can plot this graph. So I'll show you method 1 and then I'll tell you which method I prefer the most to solve numericals quickly. So method 1 is the intercept form. What is the intercept form? Basically you have to express a straight line in this format: x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where this becomes the x-intercept which is under x, and this becomes, this b is y-intercept. A is what? A is your x-intercept, I am writing it down, and b is your y-intercept. Don't be worried about what is intercept. Intercept is basically the points at which it cuts the axis, respective axis. So x-intercept means where it cuts on x-axis, y-intercept is where it cuts on y-axis. Very simple, just see this over here. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the straight line. I told you it cuts x-axis over here, so this is a and this is b, and this distance is a and this distance is b. So this is one form of straight line. So we will see this problem. So I'll express this into intercept form. So x by 4 plus y by 4 equals 1. So now this is in the form of what? X by a plus y by b equals 1. A is 4, b is 4. Very simple, plotting it, x axis, y axis, 4, 4. Simply plot this. This is 4, this is 4. So this is the equation of the line x plus y is equal to 4. So this is how simply you can form, you can do this using the intercept form. You are plotting the graph. Let us see some other examples. Say for example somebody has given you 2x minus 3y equals 6. You have to plot this graph using intercept form. Let us use intercept form to solve this problem first. What you will do? You can do what? 2x by 6. You can write it this way, just I am taking 6 below here, minus 3y upon 6 equals 1. So this one has formed, so this is plus 1, x, this cancels, this becomes 3. So this is x by 3. Let me make this plus. So if I make this plus, this 3 will cancel this as 2. So I can write this as minus 2 equals 1. So I can write this equation like this. Now you can clearly see this is in the form of what? X by a plus y by b equal 1. If I compare these two, I get the value of a as 3 and get the value of b as minus 2. A as 3 and b as minus 2. Now how do you plot this graph? On the axis, this is x axis, this is y axis. The value of a is 3. So I get 3 over here, and y is how much? Minus 2. So minus 2 is somewhere here, minus 2. This becomes the straight line. So this is the line that forms of 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. So this is how the intercept form has been used to solve the problem. Let us look into the other format how we can solve this problem. So this was the first equation that we had taken, and the first method that we saw was the intercept form. Let us see the method that I use the most. I don't have a name for that method, whatever you can name it of your side. So what you will do over here is, first you will put x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, what is the value of y that you get? Y is 4. So this is one point, 0, 4. 0 comma 4 is 1 point. Next what you have to do, you have to put y as 0. So if you put y as 0, what do you get the value of x? X value is 4. If we put y is equal to 0, the value of x will be 4. So the next point is 4 comma 0. You got 2 points. I already told you for a straight line you need just 2 points. So simply do what? Simply draw the x axis, y axis. 4 comma 0 is 1 point. So 4 comma 0 will be 1 point. 0 comma 4 will be 1 point. So there is 0 comma 4. Simply join these 2 points and this becomes a straight line. This is very simple. So what you have to do in this method, you have to put first x is equal to 0 and then you have to put y is equal to 0. You will get 2 points and you can solve this equation like this. Let us see the next problem that we had taken. So this was the second method that we have used. The second problem that I took was 2x minus 3y equals 6. How do you solve this? I told you now what, take x is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, so this part becomes 0, minus 3y equals 6, so y becomes equal to minus 2. Done. So 1 point is how much? 0 comma minus 2. Put y equals 0. If y is 0, this part becomes 0, 2x is equal to 6. So x becomes equals to 3. So what is the next point? 3 comma 0. You get 2 points, simply plot it on the x axis. Simply plot it on the x and y axis. What you will get? 1 point is, so don't consider it to be 0. These are tick points are added. 3 comma 0 is 1 point. 3 comma 0 is 1 point. 0 comma minus 2. Okay, so 0 comma minus 2 will be somewhere here. 0 comma minus 2. Simply join these two lines and you get the straight line 2x minus 3y equals 6. So this was as simple as this. So let us see if, so this was all about straight line, how easily you can draw straight line. Let us look into some integration problems over here, just to clarify your doubts. If you have looked, if you know what integration is, you have already done it. I'll show you a graphical approach. If you don't know integration, stay tuned. We'll make videos on integration and then you can come back to this. For example, somebody has given you to plot y is equal to 2x minus 4, right? Y is equal to 2x minus 4. How do you draw this? So let me draw you, put x is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, I'll just directly go on the graph and plot it. X axis, y axis. If x is equal to 0, y is how much? Minus 4. Just take this point minus 4. If y is equal to 0, if y is equal to 0, this 4 will come, x will be equal to how much? 2. So simply join this straight line and you get the equation y is equal to 2x minus 4. So you drew the straight line by simply using 2 points. Now say for example, I'm just showing how to solve integration problems. Say for example, somebody has asked you the question, so I'll mark it with a different highlighter. So somebody has asked you integrate 2x minus 4, integrate 2x minus 4 dx starting from 2 till 3. Starting from 2 till 3. So how do you solve this integration problem? So you should know that if somebody has given you some integration problem, so from 2 to 3 the straight line is what? This is the equation of straight line 2x minus 4 which is already drawn. From this till x equals how much? 3. From this, from x is equal to 2 till x is equal to 3, these are the value of x. X is equal to 2 to x is equal to 3. So integration means the area under the curve. So basically by this question somebody is asking you to find the area under this curve. Now finding area under this curve is very easy. I'll tell you how. So basically this is a triangle. What is the base of this triangle? So base is basically total, how much distance is this? 1. Very clear to you? And what is the height? We have to find the height of this triangle. So finding the height of the triangle is also easy. This point x is equal to 3. So if you want to find the y over here, what you have to do? You have to simply put x is equal to 3, you will get the value of y over here. So if you put x is equal to 3, so 2x into 2 into 3, so 6 minus 4, 2. So this point is 2. So what will be the height of this triangle? The height of this triangle is 2. So simply the integration value of this, what will it be? Half into base of the triangle, that is 1, into the height of the triangle, that is 2. So 2 cancel, you get 1. So what is the value of this integration? The value is 1. Simple, very simple. I just taught you very simply how you can get the value of integration by just drawing graphs. So this is the graphical approach which you take while solving integration problems. We will see more complex problems when we are actually dealing with an integration chapter. This is the basics I am teaching, so I just showed it to you. If you have any doubt, you can get back to the comment section. So for straight lines, I will be stopping the video over here. If you have any doubt, any confusion, you can go back to the comment section, you can comment there, and I'll come back to you with a solution and I'll make it very simple for you. In the next video, we will see more problems. I'll show you more modulus graph. I've already shown you. In next video, I'll show you, say for example, how do you draw, if you see my earlier videos, the modulus section, mod x minus 1, mod x minus 3 dx. Somebody gives you to integrate this, how you will do that, 0 to 1, say for example, or say 0 to 5 or 0 to 3, how you will solve this problem. So I'll show you in the next chapter, in the next video. If you like the video, do like the video, subscribe to our channel. We'll get with more interesting mathematical problems, and I'm pretty sure this will be helping you in your preparation for your entrance examination. Thank you so much for watching.